Hello friends, welcome to my new video. So from today we are starting Rust series where I will teach you Rust and we will have some more examples till we learn the Rust and we will start by going some small examples and after that some projects and we also do some open source and also Web3. So let's see how we can do that. So first we start with yeah, so cargo init to do. Okay, so we are creating project where we are writing creating to do project. Okay, okay. So I think our project has created the main RS. Okay, the RS folder. So let's try to run it. Okay, I'm not in a folder. That's my bad. Okay, now doing again. Why it is taking me too much time? I don't know. It should be fast. I think it's first time happening. That's why it's taking much longer time. Let's see. Okay, the build file is created. Okay, now yeah, it's showing the result. Okay, it's cool. So this is our main function and this is the print ln macro. So yeah, let's have it. And so let's see first create struct. Let's see we have to create some key to do like that. So struct have three types. First is uh, struct regular struct, or you can say normal struct. Second is tup- sorry, tuple struct. Third is void struct. So this is void struct. Okay, so we can use it here. Let's say uh, new game is equal to yeah, game should be right. Okay, so that's how we initialize. Means yeah, initialize it. So for to do, we have created struct name game to do. Okay. So now we should have some other struct like we call it mine to do. Okay. And in that name string because it's string type. Okay. And we need to create hmm, okay. I don't think we need to create. Okay. Now here list because we are storing the to do in list. So that's why we need list. Uh, back of my to do. how it's look. Good. So we are storing this type of to do in this struct game to do in some vector. So let's use it here again. So we need list. Okay. So where will this list come from? Is we will create some new list. Okay. From okay, my to do. Mhm. So this is how we create vector. This is the vector type of to do. And there is something. Let's see. Okay. Okay. This is not to do. My to do. Okay. And this need new list. It's correct. Okay. So we have now list of to do game. Sorry, it's named game to do. Okay. And now we need to create to do new to do. I'm sorry for like the variable name is very I'm not thinking before creating variable names, but you should guys think about it. The variable name is very means it's yeah it's important. Just do it. Okay, so where are we? Okay, my to do, my to do. It contains some string. So where will this string came from? We name it as input, and string is like this. And here is input. Okay, good. Now, okay, so that's how we create string. It's not a normal string. It's you can say it is struct type, and it's yeah, dynamic. It's storing on heap. First, let's get back to the query. Now we need some input, and there is standard library uh, which have IO, which we will use to std in. Okay, so from this you will take this grid line. Okay, and here what we want is okay reference mutable uh, variable. So we can input that it should be integer. Okay, and expect message. The input value is not right. Please enter the value. Okay, that's it. So now we have variable where we can store our inputs, and this is our iOS link where from this is the library from which we take some input, and it's the read line take input parameter which hold reference mutable. So yeah, I will teach you what is this after some time. So for now, you can create something like this. And now, okay. what we have to do is we have to create some functions. Okay, so in Rust, when you need to create some function, you could create something like this. My function. Uh, yeah, this is the simplest where how you can create something. This is normal function. Right? That's how you can create it. And let me show you how you can use it again. My function. Let me call it. Yeah, you can say it here. This is normal function. But right now, what we want is we need to create some function which will help us to store value in our list. Yeah. So for that, we do something like this: equal game to the function new. Okay. Self. Why self? Because we are creating method. So now, yeah, we reference. Let's see. Like, mm, okay, maybe. And here, got here. So it is not coming on. Hmm, hmm. Okay. And enter my spelling. It's my mistake. This push. Okay. Value. The here will come. That's correct. Just need to do the table and okay. Why is this complaining? Can you use okay? Now it's mute. Now it is okay. Now we can use mute here. Uh, like muting dot mute, and we can pass this mute to the side. So what is up with this? Okay. Um, new game cannot mute mute variable new game. So new game should be mutable, right? Now I think we don't have any error. Hmm. I can input it and okay, right. Need to print it here. Print. Hmm. We have to do. Let's say. Hmm. Okay. So to print this, I need to add derive macros, something like debug Okay, let's get to your yes. New to do. Okay, new to do. To do. And chose loan because I have passed this and doing some mistakes. Loan, yeah. So this is new to do variable. We pass it here, but if we pass ownership to this, then we can't pass to the print. Okay, let's see. Let me show you why how this done. Like if I'm passing here new to do, then what this complains is the borrow of moved variable. Means we are using here a variable which is already moved to that. Okay, so that's why we are using clone. Okay, now you got it. And what we have done here is I will explain some next step videos. If you want to watch videos like this, please follow me, like and subscribe. I will, push uh, daily videos about Rust for now. And let's see what we can do, including. Yeah. So this is macro. So macro have three types. So this is one of its macro, and the print and println also have macros, but this is another type of macro. Yeah, uh, I will teach you the different type of macros. There are three type of macros. Yeah, so println is a different type of macro, and this is different type of macro. This is derived macros. Yeah. Okay, let's talk about sometime else about these macros. Let's try to learn, run how it is. Okay, there is some error to do. Okay, again, I have forget to okay, add semicolon here. Okay, now let's try. So it is asking me my name. Okay, asking me. Okay, now you can see my name here. Okay, so after entering one value, it is break minutes over. Like so, for that we will add some, you know, loop here. So something like this. For now, we will cover everything in it. So when you run it, so I have type my name next. Then something is okay. Hmm, it should print it, but it is not printing person rating. I need to find out that is not printing. I, I don't think this will change something, but let's try one more time. Okay, it is printing, but it is changing everything. Means no, no, no. You know what is the problem? Why it's only printing the letters like that you can see? Why it is only printing letters? Because we are thinking to do. seven swims. So what I should bring? Yeah, self dot list. Okay. Now you could see if I type my name, then my surname. Oh, still. Hmm, I think I have changed it. Hmm, let's see. Very good. Oh, no. Why is this happening? Hmm, let me find out it. Because you're using this each time. Okay. Okay, now I got it each time. Everything is great. Mm, so let me make this up and also this up because this is what creating the new list every time. So yeah, I think this should be good enough. Okay, started to run. Oh, my compiler. Oh shit. This is that. Yeah, I'm using that as code editor. Okay, now we have fixed it. Okay, that's all. Okay, so this is the first video, and I think it's nice for the first video that we have covered some structs and some print statement, how we should, do print. And this is the list where we have post some to do and which is clone to do. Yeah, we have used some derived macros and use some how to input. Yeah, if you guys don't, I think you have understand, but if it's much for you as a beginner, then uh, do practice. You will get enough. And there is a website, Trust Book, that you can prefer to learn. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for this video.